Meta tags, creating optimal meta tags for your site. Meta tags are small bits of meta information which appear in the head of an HTML document. An HTML document contains a head and a body. The head contains all sorts of meta information such as the page title and other information which is vital for the website to function properly. We're focusing only on meta tags. The W3C, which is the organization that sets up the standards for the internet and browsers, they originally included meta tags as part of the specification for HTML. That included especially a meta description tag, which describes the page, and meta keywords tags, which contain the keywords which tell a browser what a particular web page is about. Now, this was designed for a very gentlemanly internet. The internet did not turn out to be so gentlemanly, especially human nature being what it is. People soon realized that by spamming or stuffing meta keyword tags, they could appear higher in search engine rankings. So, you would stuff meta keywords like this. Suppose we had a page about cats, the cat website. We have a nice description, okay, but now we stuffed the meta keyword tag. We put a whole boatload of cat-related keywords in here. Now this is a fairly modest example. People had a whole page of meta keywords in there, and lo and behold, this would actually get you top ranking in old search engines. Then along came Google. Google began to ignore these meta keyword tags. Instead, Google looks at on-page content, backlinks, and how dynamic is the content on a page. So, a lot of people then began to think that, well, meta tags are irrelevant. You don't need them. You can ignore meta tags. Don't even worry about them. I don't think so, and neither does Yahoo. Yahoo is one of the top 3 or 4 websites on the entire internet, and they think meta tags are important. And if you look at their source code, you can see that Yahoo includes, of course, the pretty much mandatory content type meta tag. But not only that, they still have a meta description tag and a meta keyword tag. Their meta keyword tag has less than 12 terms related to Yahoo. Well, if Yahoo thinks they need meta tags, I think that we should pay attention. So the best way to generate optimal meta tags for your site is to go to metataggenerator.org, where there is a meta tag generator that can create the meta tags for your site. Simply fill it in. Your meta description. This is what the search engine will show to a potential surfer to your page when they see the search engine results page. You should put something here which is catchy and will entice people to click on your link and not any of the others which appear on the SERP, the search engine results page. This is my website, will not do it, but this is only a demo. Put your keywords here. Suppose your page is about dogs. You can make a bunch of dog keywords, no more than 12 of them. Then you can generate your meta tags. The default setup for the meta tag generator is using a very basic recommended set of meta tags. You can turn them on or off as you see fit. If you want to know what any of these particular meta tags do, just simply hover your mouse over this information button and information will show up. Last but not least, you click at the bottom, generate either XHTML or HTML. If you're not sure, go for XHTML, as it will validate for both. It will validate in HTML as well as XHTML. Then you click highlight to highlight, Control C, and you can paste this now in your website. You have just generated meta tags. Should you need to generate the entire head of a document, you can go to a head generator. So headgenerator.com, and you would find a very similar tool, but it also includes a doc type declaration, which is required. Most applications that you will be creating your website in, whether it's WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, or even if you're using Dreamweaver, they include the doc type declaration as part of basically any tool which creates a website. Almost always has it. If it doesn't, you can create one here, or you can change one as you see fit. This head generator also includes your title tag. Again, both of these generators include the favicon tags. Favicons, of course, are these little icons which appear to the left of the address bar and in your tab. It's a good idea to include them, the favicon and the shortcut tag. This will guarantee that your page will display them. Click Generate, and again we've generated an entire head for an HTML or XHTML document. That's all there is to know about meta tags. Hope you enjoyed the film. Thanks.